Hello everybody, this is 611 Sweetgum in Deptford, New Jersey open house. Just had some people leave, so it is active. And I just want to take you through the property and let you see everything. So when you first come in, you have an option to either go to lower level or go to the second level. I'm going to take you down to the lower level. The man cave, so to speak. Walks out to underneath of the deck, the stomped concrete and the sitting area with the barbecue set. A bar area, very nice, stays with the property. Inside here you have the heater room and the washer and dryer. Washer and dryer stays. Still all on the lower level, you also have the 2-car garage. Motorcycle not included. I'm going to take you up to the mid-level where the living room and kitchen is at. The homeowner took all the options the builder gave, including the bathroom on the second level. Beautiful bathroom. Beautiful windows. Allows for tons of sunlight. Stainless steel appliances. 2 stoves. And then you also have the addition here, fireplace, and a full deck. Secluded backyard. Your neighbors are not on top of you. And lastly, I'm going to take you upstairs to the bedroom area. Again, 611 Sweetgum Lane in Deptford, New Jersey. Come join me. Here's the master. Tons of space, including the addition where the sitting room is. Master bath. Extra large bedroom. Beautiful, 2 beautiful walk-in closets. Hall bath. So you've seen 2.5 baths. Here's one of the bedrooms, which is away from the master, and the 3rd bedroom. Peloton not included. So there you have it. 611 Sweetgum. Come visit. Trish, you did an awesome job. Thank you.